In the words of Graham Hancock, we are a species with amnesia. Welcome to a journey into the recesses of our collective memory, a journey inspired by Graham Hancock's seminal work, Fingerprints of the Gods. The book's central premise is a provocative one, that our civilization is not the first to reach advanced levels of cultural sophistication and technological prowess. Hancock suggests that we are but the latest in a long line of advanced civilizations, our predecessors wiped from the annals of history by time and catastrophe. Hancock's quest for the truth led him across the globe, from the enigmatic stone constructs of Machu Picchu in Peru to the awe-inspiring pyramids of Egypt. Each of these ancient monuments, he argues, bears an uncanny similarity in construction methods, a shared fingerprint that suggests a common origin. These structures are not just remarkable feats of engineering, they are, in Hancock's view, evidence of an advanced, forgotten civilization. Consider the Great Pyramid of Giza, for example. A marvel of precision and engineering, its construction is still a mystery. How could a civilization, supposedly primitive by our standards, have built such a monument? Hancock proposes that such feats are not the work of the civilizations we attribute them to, but rather the legacy of a much older, far more advanced civilization. This civilization, Hancock posits, was lost to time, swallowed by the sands or drowned by rising seas, yet it left behind a legacy, a set of fingerprints on the world's most ancient monuments. These fingerprints are a testament to its existence and a challenge to our understanding of human history. Hancock's work invites us to reconsider our past and question the accepted narrative of human history. It is a call to awaken from our cultural amnesia, to remember our forgotten ancestors and to recognize the fingerprints they left upon our world. As Hancock says, the past, it seems, does not exist only in the past, but also in the present and future. Hancock suggests there are things that are so serious that you can only joke about them. And in Fingerprints of the Gods, he unveils a plethora of such serious matters wrapped in the cloak of ancient mysteries. Let's delve into the first piece of evidence Hancock presents: the alignment of ancient monuments with specific constellations. Take, for instance, the Great Pyramids of Giza. Hancock argues that they align with the constellation of Orion, not as it is seen today, but as it was seen more than 10,000 years ago. A joke or a tantalizing hint that our ancient ancestors possessed knowledge far beyond our understanding. Next, Hancock broaches the existence of maps that accurately depict the Earth's geography, long before it was supposedly known. One such map, the Piri-Reis map, drawn in 1513, shows the coastline of Antarctica free of ice, a fact not confirmed until the late 20th century. Hancock proposes that the map was based on much older sources, lost to the annals of time. A jest, or a clue pointing towards a forgotten civilization with advanced geographical understanding. Finally, Hancock highlights the striking similarities between myths and legends from different cultures around the world. From the Aztecs to the Egyptians, the Chinese to the Greeks, stories of a great flood can be found across the globe. Hancock contends that these tales are more than mere folklore. They are the collective memory of a cataclysm that reshaped the world, a tall tale or a shared recollection of a prehistoric disaster. These are but a few of the evidences Hancock presents in his book, each more intriguing than the last, each inviting us to question what we think we know about our past. The laughter fades, and what remains is the echo of a forgotten history, waiting to be rediscovered. In Hancock's words, what you seek is a matter of perception. What you find is a matter of perspective. So let's shift our perspective and perhaps we'll find what we've been missing all along. Hancock points out science should be the exploration of the unexplained, not the explanation of the unexplored. This statement sets the tone for the controversy surrounding his work. The scientific community, to a large extent, has dismissed Hancock's theories as pseudoscience. They argue that his ideas lack empirical evidence, the key cornerstone of scientific inquiry. Critics suggest that Hancock's theories are more akin to imaginative storytelling than rigorous, fact-based research. However, it's not all dismissal and derision. There's been an increasing acceptance of some of his theories. The most notable of these is the idea of a cataclysmic event that took place around 10,000 years BC. Hancock suggests that this event may have wiped out an advanced civilization, a theory that has been gaining traction in recent years. Proponents of this theory point to evidence of sudden climatic changes and mass extinctions around this time. They argue that these could be the result of such a cataclysmic event. Some even suggest that remnants of this lost civilization could be responsible for the advanced architectural and astronomical knowledge found in ancient cultures across the globe. The controversy surrounding Hancock's work is part of a larger debate about the nature of scientific inquiry. Should it be limited only to what can be empirically proven? Or should it also include the exploration of unexplained phenomena, even if they challenge established theories and beliefs? Regardless of where one stands in this debate, it's clear that Hancock's work has sparked a conversation that goes beyond his theories. It challenges us to question our understanding of history and to remain open to new possibilities, however unconventional they may be. In a world where scientific knowledge is often taken as absolute truth, Hancock reminds us that our understanding of the world is always evolving. He encourages us to keep questioning, to keep exploring, and to remain open to the mysteries that the world has to offer. As Hancock puts it, reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. Hancock leaves us with the thought, history is not just about the past, it's about what we become. After journeying through the dense jungles of evidence and the challenging terrain of controversies, we've unearthed a fascinating perspective. The fingerprints of the gods, as Hancock calls them, whisper to us from the stone and ice, hinting at a forgotten epoch of human history. It's a tale that encourages us to look beyond the surface and delve deeper into our understanding of civilization's origins. But it's not just about uncovering lost civilizations, it's about heeding the warnings they offer. These ancient cultures, so advanced in their time, were wiped out, reminding us of the transient nature of our existence. So let's explore more about our ancient history, keeping an open mind to the possibility of a forgotten past. In the closing words of Graham Hancock, we are the lords of our creation, but it is also true that we can be the lords of our destruction.